Hi everyone, I'm Chris Kawasaki, your local real estate expert here in the beautiful San Gabriel Valley. And today we're diving into the latest housing market report as of May 2025. Whether you're considering buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the market, this update is definitely going to be for you. So let's start with the big picture and the market overview. The San Gabriel Valley continues to be a seller's market with demand outpacing supply. In April of 2025, the median home price reached $896,411, marking a 5.5% increase compared to last year. In West Covina, the median price was $860,000, which was up 3% over last year. Covina had a median price of $805,000, up 10%. Glendora was at $897,500, up 3% over last year. San Dimas was $920,000, up 10% over last year. And Puente's median price was $750,000, which was up 2% over last year. Next, let's look at inventory, or homes currently active on the market, and homes that sold last month. Inventory is on the rise, which is good news for buyers. The number of homes for sale in the San Gabriel Valley increased 6.6% from March to April of 2025. Sales activity is also picking up, with 554 homes sold in April, a 13.1% increase from the previous month. Now let's look at days on market, which can tell us how hot or cold a market is. Despite what you may be seeing in national headlines, homes are selling faster in the San Gabriel Valley. The average days on market decreased to 32 days, down from 42 days last year. Days on market in West Covina was 19, Covina was 18, Glendora 9, San Dimas 12, and Puente homes took 11 days to go under contract. So, what do I think this means for you? For sellers, it's a great time to list your home, especially as we've entered the popular spring and the summer months. With rising prices and quick sales, you could definitely capitalize on the current market conditions. However, I will caution sellers to make sure you price your home correctly. Even though days on market are still relatively low, I'm seeing a lot of homes in the San Gabriel Valley priced like it's still COVID. What I mean by this is that some sellers still think they can get whatever price they want, but that's just not the case anymore. Well-priced homes are going under contract in a week or two. However, those homes that are overpriced, they're sitting on the market for much longer, often for more than 60 days. And for buyers, be prepared to act fast. With homes selling quickly and often above asking price, having your financing in order and being ready to make competitive offers is the key. Should you buy now? Well, it depends on your situation, and everyone's situation is a little bit different, right? But if you plan on staying in your home for more than 4 or 5 years, then it's probably the right time to buy. And here's why I say this. According to the Home Price Expectation Survey from Fannie Mae, home prices are going to continue to appreciate over the next 5 years. As you can see from this chart, in 2025, homes are forecasted to appreciate 3.4%. In 2026, it'll be 3.3%. In 2027, it will be 3.7%. And for 2028 and 29, it'll be 3.9% each year. How does that translate to home value? Well, let's look at those appreciation forecasts and turn them into real dollars so it's a little bit easier to understand. So if you bought a home this year in 2025 for $750,000, that home would be worth over $775,000 in 2026. And as you can see, those values just keep rising. And in 2030, that same $750,000 home that you bought is forecasted to be worth almost $900,000. That's a total equity gain of almost $150,000 in 5 years. So, if you're thinking about buying or selling or just want to discuss your options, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you navigate the San Gabriel Valley and the SoCal real estate market. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon for more housing tips and updates. See you next time.